This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the BSNL welcome email or printed letter your technician handed you. Read every line slowly and look for labels that say login ID or username. The login ID is often shown as a phone number or a user string. The welcome packet also lists the initial password clearly. Keep that password exactly as written and respect capitalization and symbols. If you use the initial password once, check for any prompt that asked you to change it. Note that the router label may not match the broadband account password. Open the BSNL self-care portal in your browser and choose the Forgot Password option. Enter the account identifier shown on your bill and the registered mobile number or email. Wait for the OTP sent by SMS or email and enter it immediately. Use the portal prompts to create a new password that meets complexity rules. After resetting, write down the new password or save it in a secure manager. Log in to confirm the new credentials and update any router settings if required. Inspect the router sticker for default admin credentials, often printed as admin and default passwords. Try those only to access router settings if you do not yet have account access. If portal methods fail, call BSNL customer support using the number on your bill. Provide your account details and the registered mobile number to prove identity. Ask the agent to confirm the broadband user ID and securely reset the password if needed. After support resets anything, change the password immediately to one you control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.